Hello and welcome. Today is Sunday, 26th day of January 2014. Welcome. And let's take a look at silver daily time frame and a couple of charts for platinum as well. It's been a week and a half since I've done a video. Not much to go over. It's been 2 months, many months, maybe 3 we can even state, of just going sideways. The range is the low $19 figure, 19 and a third. And the resistance is about 20 and 1/3 and 20 and a half. So 2033 to about 2050. Currently, price action is close to the 18 average of closes, which is 20. 1990 was Friday's close. So let's take a look at what we can, because it tells me a big move, or at least a decent sized move, is on the horizon. It could happen this week, it could happen next month, it could happen next season. However, why I say this is you made this low, which broke down below this one. So levels not seen since the summer. And then after that, it took out this high, levels not seen since late fall, middle of November. Therefore, we're seeing this pattern where it's breaking highs, breaking lows, failed move, fast move. What's the last failed move going to be? It can be several. It's happened before. After all, this down move in here had that exact same pattern where it took down this low, then it broke past this high in here, and the failed move was, of course, this. Down she goes. Overall, still, it's in this sideways band. You can make a case that we have this low, which then made a higher high above here, higher low, higher high. So far, it's been a higher low, but it really needs to get above this range that was mentioned from the start of the video. Let's go on to platinum, the daily chart. Much different. It's been holding above this 18 average of highs fairly well. It's had this pullback down to this 18 average band, which is rising, and because of the size of the move, I'm looking for cautionary moves to possibly go towards here. But maybe this could be the end of the correction. I will say that based on, we got this high, this low. If this thing starts to rally and can hold above wherever the 61.8% mark is, somewhere around here for a couple of days, then I might be stating, okay, we're going to break past this resistance and test some of these previous areas. But if this thing continues to go lower, we see this break down and maybe you're at 14.18, then I'm going to expect at least another 9-point drop, because 14.09 is where this level in here is located. Maybe it comes in with a little bit of a rally, and then it does something like this. Okay, I'd be saying I like the odds that we're going to come to here, and then after that, I don't know, but at least to make it to that point. Now, this is a lot different, though, on the monthly term time frame, because 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months to go from about 2100 down to the lows of 745. Not going to talk much about this significant Fibonacci line. Yeah, I was a little bit of resistance and support in here. However, if this obvious sideways pattern in here doesn't hold, well, obvious support right in here. That level is 1145. However, with this key level, we can see a lot, starting with this candle in here, where it goes up to the mark right on, pulls back an okay amount. Obviously, it comes at the end of that month, it came back higher, broke resistance, came back to that level. As we can see, then 1, 2, 3 months making a new higher high. After that, there's that big move, sort of like we see on the daily chart. Of course, it followed with a little bit of up move and sideways consolidation. However, back to this line, stabilizing for a little over a season, and then breaking higher to the new high, then back again, test number 3 or so, and above, below, and now it's been below that level for quite some time. which indicates to me that if this last daily time frame fails and it starts to move back down to the low 1300s, even below 1365.50, I'm going to be thinking it just may happen to make this test over here. But as I say, in the breaking out levels, key resistance 2. Well, lots more than that. But this level here, roughly at around 1700. And then again at about 1900. And then, of course, the last previous high at 2300. Those would be the key upside targets. That will complete today's video. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great week. Bye-bye.